Hey there, Playmobil pals. We are taking a look at a very quick mail call package. Let's get started. Alright, so today we're taking a look at a Series 12 blind bag. I know which one this is. At least I hope I do. It would really stink if I ended up not getting the one I ordered, because mistakes happen. But anyway, this is set number 9241. This is the Boys Series 12. And as you can see, we've got a nice array of different characters to choose from here. And I'm really hoping for the alien, but I'd be happy with the wizard too. But I really got the alien, and that's what we're expecting to check out. Upper torso and the bones are already connected here, so we just got to get the arms and insert them. Although you can't really do that with the bones in there, so we got to take these out. And oh yeah, we can do that. I thought we had like a shirt or vest or something that we had to stick the arms through, but we don't have to. Alright, and here is the legs. Am I doing this right? No, I don't normally do it like this. Hold on a second. I'm doing this completely wrong. You should always put the bones on the legs first. That's what you do, because it's easier to put on that way. Then arms. And then finally the legs there. Alright, very nice so far. Kind of looks like a Playmobil knight body colors. Design. Head goes on. Ugh. Did you hear that click? That thing was powerful. Then we got the shoulder pads. Boom. Oh, I have it on backwards. There we go. Much more decorative. It actually looks way better now that I've got it turned around and looking the right way. Very cool. Here's his hair. Whoops. His hair is just kind of like this sort of almost like a mullet / mohawk piece. So I wish they'd bring back the aliens. I wish they never got rid of them, really. Alright, so here we go, full body, and then we got the helmet on, and then he's got his weapon here. And that there, my friends, is our blue alien. It's a bit of a large gun, I gotta admit, but it's cool. It's menacing. It's okay. I think they could have gotten the same concept down and made it smaller, but I believe that with this length here, the klickys are able to grip onto this portion right here to carry it a little bit easier. And it's not terrible, but yeah, I just think it's kind of silly to have a gun that big. But anyway, here he is with a little size comparison here with our robot. And here he is with our other robot. Here he is beside a trash can. And here he is with two of our other alien figures. The fact that it's shaped as an alien, designed to look like an alien, adds that special uniqueness to this particular klicky and the line in general, the Playmobil Space line in general. But also the fact that he's blue is definitely more outstanding. It's eye-catching and kind of makes it a little more exclusive and harder to find. So I really am fortunate to have found this blue alien when I did on eBay, and I'm really excited to have it. I really hope they come out with more sometime. I think the inclusion of the alien klickys would add a little more excitement to the Playmobil Space sets, since they kind of delve with science, and sometimes kids are not into that sort of thing. But collectors are.
Oh my god, and so are nerds.
Get out of my video. And that there, guys, is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. We got more on the way, guys, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time right here on Playmo AF. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.